Hello guys, this is Skin Farm Apiary. What we do here is beekeeping, purposely for honey, extraction of venoms and propolis. And first, let me share how Skin Farm looks like. You can check. Here are the bees. Here are the hives. There's some stands. We are going to add more hives. You see. Yeah, the place is covered by thousands and thousands of eucalyptus. It is a good, it provides best foliage for bees. In Australia, they mainly produce the eucalyptus honey, which is so much importance for human consumption. We will share more information relating to bees from Skin Farm Apiary. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you.